Are there limits to science?
Sure. We just talked about one, right? Science can't tell you right from wrong. You need science to implement your ideas about right and wrong. If you are functioning on the basis of an incorrect view of how the world works, you might very well think you're doing right, but actually be doing wrong. But all the science in the world won't tell you which action is right and which action is wrong.
You know, dictators and people in power will sometimes use science as an authority to convince you what's right and wrong. Studying Nazi science is fascinating.
Yeah. But there's an instrumentalist view here. You have to first decide what your goals are, and then science can help you achieve those goals. If your goals are horrible, science has no problem helping you achieve them. Science is happy to help out.